10 Web AI is an all-in-one platform that includes website building, hosting, and plugins. It offers advanced features, security, and e-commerce functionality. One of the key features that sets 10 Web apart from other website builders is its AI website builder. The AI website builder uses Elementor to create and recreate sites automatically. In comparison to other website builders, 10 Web AI provides a comprehensive solution for building a WordPress website with ease. It offers over 50 plugins, including security, SEO, and backup plugins. And this makes it suitable for users who want an all-in-one platform with advanced features. So stay tuned as I'm going to share all of these in this video. To get started with using 10 Web AI tools, features, and services, you need to create a free account with 10 Web to start right away to use their products and services. We have here 4 options to choose from. You can create a new website with AI. This option is when you want to create an entire website with AI. Next, we have the option to convert a website to WordPress, and the other two are to migrate a WordPress website to 10 Web hosting and to optimize an existing WordPress website where you will get a higher page score on any hosting. Let's try this first option to start off. And this is simple to work with. We are asked a few questions about the WordPress website we want to make. Let's go ahead. For the business type, I input, you can choose from this drop-down list, and this is a very extensive list. Author and writer, then click next. And now I need to choose the website design and structure. We have 3 layout templates to decide on. We are unable to preview any of these before install it. Hopefully they will edit this feature to preview it to the table. Anyway, let's choose this, click next. Let's try company name. Okay, I've described, next. And now I need to provide 4 main services. And now we want to provide case studies. I want to skip to the next step. Skipped. Then you need to choose between a tone of voice of content, informal or formal. Let's try informal and then click on finalize. Now wait a few seconds. Everything, it seems to working fine. It's generating the content of the website as well as the images. Make it responsive for mobile devices. So this is so important in these days. And then we get this pop-up saying that my website has been created. Now let's check how this goes. So we get the navigation menu, my hero section, the services, case study number 1 and 2 with a call to action. Okay. That's nice. Things we can do, we can leave the feedback, we can invite friends to this platform, and we can edit. We can also view on mobile. Okay. So this is what we get from using the free version of this 10 Web platform. Let's try to edit. And so if you want to edit and customize, you need to pay for another version. As to the pricing plans, there are 3 available plans. The effectiveness and suitability of 10 Web for a small business owner, for example, can depend on several variables. If you are looking to redesign your website or to create a new one frequently, the AI assistant website builder could be a major benefit. On the other hand, the cost is always a factor to consider. You would need to evaluate whether the benefits and features of 10 Web justify the expense. If you have a large team or a work team closely with clients, the user and team management feature could be very useful, but for a solo entrepreneur, this feature might not be as important. As to website performance needs, if your current website is already performing well in terms of speed and SEO, the improvements offered by 10web might not be as impactful. So, overall, the variables that determine whether 10web is a good solution for a small business owner include their current website setup, the technical skill level, performance needs, team size and collaboration needs, budget, security needs, and design needs. Thanks for watching. I really hope you found this video useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye!